Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the JBL PartyBox Encore Essential. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful party speaker with deep bass, immersive sound, and a built-in dynamic light show, the JBL PartyBox Encore Essential is an excellent choice. Designed for parties, gatherings, and outdoor events, this speaker delivers 100 watts of JBL Original Pro Sound, ensuring your music sounds rich, clear, and full of energy. Whether you're playing hip-hop, rock, pop, or dance music, this speaker ensures that every beat is punchy, every vocal is crisp, and every bass drop is powerful. One of the standout features of the PartyBox Encore Essential is its built-in dynamic light show, which creates an electrifying atmosphere. The RGB lighting syncs to the beat of your music, adding a visual element that makes your party feel even more exciting. Whether you're hosting an indoor house party or an outdoor get-together, the vibrant pulsing lights will keep the energy high and set the mood for a fun night. With seamless Bluetooth connectivity, you can wirelessly stream your favorite playlists from your phone, tablet, or laptop. The Bluetooth range is strong and stable, ensuring a smooth, uninterrupted connection no matter where you are. In addition to Bluetooth, the PartyBox Encore Essential also features USB and aux inputs, giving you multiple ways to play your music. Whether you want to plug in a USB drive, connect a turntable, or use an aux cable, this speaker provides ultimate flexibility for any music source. Designed for ultimate portability, the JBL PartyBox Encore Essential is compact and easy to carry, so you can take it anywhere. Whether you're heading to a beach party, a tailgate, a picnic, or a backyard barbecue, this speaker is lightweight yet powerful, making it the perfect travel companion for any event. The IPX4 splash-proof rating ensures that it can handle accidental splashes, light rain, or poolside fun without any worries. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 6 hours of playtime, so your party can keep going without needing to recharge. If you need more power, simply plug it in and continue enjoying non-stop music. For an even bigger, more immersive sound, the PartyBox Encore Essential supports true wireless stereo (TWS) pairing, allowing you to connect two JBL PartyBox speakers wirelessly. This means you can double the sound output, create a stereo effect, and bring even more energy to your party. JBL has also included a microphone input, making this speaker perfect for karaoke nights or hosting events. Whether you want to sing along with friends, make announcements, or hype up the crowd, this feature ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. If you're looking for a portable, high-powered party speaker with deep bass, clear highs, wireless connectivity, dynamic lighting, and splash-proof durability, the JBL PartyBox Encore Essential is a fantastic investment. It combines powerful sound, long battery life, and an eye-catching light show into a compact, easy-to-use speaker that's perfect for any party setting. Click the link below for the best price.